Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our 30th chapter, Circulation of Blood. Children, do you know what is circulation of blood? The movement of blood through the vessels of the body that is induced by the pumping action of the heart and serves to distribute nutrients and oxygen to and remove waste products from all parts of the body. See pulmonary circulation, systematic circulation. Think and say, have you heard tick tick of watch? Yes, I have heard tick tick of watch. Have you seen doctor keeping stethoscope on chest and hearing? Yes, I have seen doctor keeping stethoscope on chest and hearing. What can doctor hear? Doctors hears the heartbeats of the patient. Have you heard heartbeats? Yes, I have heard heartbeats. Look at the picture. What is this? This is a stethoscope. Your doctor listens to your heart with a stethoscope. The opening and closing of your valves make a lub-dub sound known as heart sounds. The doctor can evaluate your heart and its valves and hear your heart's rate and rhythm by listening to your heart sounds. Healthy heart rate. Healthy heart rate vary according to age and level of physical fitness. Newborn baby, they have 120 to 160 heart rates. Baby 1 to 12 months, 80 to 140. And 1 to 2 years baby, 80 to 130. 2 to 6 years child, 75 to 120. And 7 to 12 years, 75 to 110. And 18 years above, 16 to 100. And adult, 40 to 60. This is the picture of heartbeats. Observe picture. Keep your ear on the chest of your friend as shown in the picture. Hear me sound peacefully. Count beats as sound is heard. Discuss your experience. I placed my ear on the left side of my friend's chest. I was able to hear the lub-dub sound coming from his chest. I counted it was 72 beats in a minute. Write the names of two friends. Count beats of heart in 1 minute. Write the count of heartbeats. Ask friend to run. Now note down the beats. Number of heartbeats in normal condition. In normal condition, the heartbeats will be 72. And the number of heartbeats after run, it may be changing. Sometimes it may be 85 and after 83, sometimes it may be 86. Our blood circulates in a body. We can understand the same looking at the picture given on the left side. Let's know the names of organs which circulates blood in the body. Blood circulation. Oxygen rich blood enters the heart from the lungs and goes out to the body. Oxygen poor blood enters the heart from the body and goes out to the lungs. Blood comes into the right atrium from the body, moves into the right ventricle and is pushed into the pulmonary arteries in the lungs. After picking up oxygen, the blood travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium, to the left ventricle and out to the body tissues through the aorta. Heart. Your heart is about the size of your clenched fist. It lies in the front and middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all parts of your body to provide it with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Blood carries oxygen and other important nutrients that all body organs need to stay healthy and to work properly. Your heart is a muscle and its job is to pump blood throughout your circulatory system. This is the picture of heart. Look at the picture. This is aorta, blood to lungs, blood from lung, left atrium, valves, left ventricle, septum, right ventricle, valves and right atrium. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are channels or conduits through which blood is distributed to body tissues. The vessels make up two closed systems of tubes that begin and end at the heart. One system, the pulmonary vessels, transport blood from the right ventricle to the lungs and back to the left atrium. Not only do blood vessels carry oxygen and nutrients, they also transport carbon dioxide and waste products away from our cells. Carbon dioxide is passed out of the body by the lungs. Most of the other waste products are disposed of by the kidneys. Blood also transports heat around your body. The three major types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood vessels flow blood throughout the body. Arteries transport blood away from the heart. Veins return blood back towards the heart. This is the picture. Look at the picture. This is artery. This is artery. And this is vein. And this is capillaries. What is blood circulation? Blood circulation means circulation of blood in the body. And which is an important organ associated with circulation of blood? Heart. Heart is an important organ associated with circulation of blood. And dash is slightly larger than the fist. Human heart is slightly larger than the fist. Where is heart located? Heart is located between two lungs, protected inside the rib cage. Blood vessels. Dash are connected to the heart. Blood vessels are connected to the heart. There are mainly two types of blood vessels. They are artery and vein. World Heart Day is celebrated on the last Sunday of September. When World Heart Day is celebrated? World Heart Day is celebrated on the last Sunday of September. Mark in proper box. Digestive organ. Which is the digestive organ? Stomach, mouth, small intestine. Respiratory organ, lungs. Blood circulatory organ, heart, artery and vein. Digestive organs. Look at the picture. This is digestive organs. Mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And respiratory organs. These all are respiratory organs. Nose, mouth, trachea, bronchial tree, diaphragm and lungs. And blood circulatory organs. Which are the blood circulatory organs? Aorta, left atrium, right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle and pulmonary artery. This is the worksheet for the students. Complete the dotted figure of heart given below and fill in the color. Children, do you know what is the important organ in human body? Humans have 5 vital organs that are essential for survival. These are brain, heart, kidneys, liver and lungs. The human brain is the body's control center, receiving and sending signals to other organs through the nervous system and through secret hormones. Now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you.